In this session, let us learn about Sci-Fi Introduction, Sci-Fi tutorial. Sci-Fi is a scientific computation library that uses NumPy underneath. Sci-Fi stands for Scientific Python. Learning by reading. We have created 10 tutorials videos for you to learn the fundamentals of Sci-Fi. Learning by examples. How many cubic meters are in 1 liter? See, to find that result is 0.001. What is Sci-Fi? Sci-Fi is a scientific computation library that uses NumPy underneath. Sci-Fi stands for Scientific Python. It provides more utility functions for optimization, states and signal processing. Like NumPy, Sci-Fi is open source, so we can use it freely. Sci-Fi was created by NumPy creator Travis Oliphant. Why use Sci-Fi? If Sci-Fi uses NumPy underneath, why can we not use NumPy? Sci-Fi has optimized and added functions that are frequently used in NumPy and data science. Which language is Sci-Fi written in? Sci-Fi is predominantly written in Python, but a few segments are written in C. Where is Sci-Fi code base? The source code for Sci-Fi is located at the GitHub repository. Follow this link. Enables many people to work on the same code base. Sci-Fi getting started installation of Sci-Fi. If you have Python and pip already installed on your system, then installation of Sci-Fi is very easy. Install it using the command pip install Sci-Fi. If this command fails, then use Python distribution that already has Sci-Fi installed like Anaconda, Spider, etc. Import Sci-Fi. Once Sci-Fi is installed, import the Sci-Fi modules you want to use in your applications by adding the from Sci-Fi import module statement. See from Sci-Fi import constants. Now we have imported the constants module from Sci-Fi and the application is ready to use it. See the example, how many cubic meters are in 1 liter? See here 0.001. Contains Sci-Fi offers a set of mathematical constants. One of them is liter, which returns 1 liter as cubic meters. You learn more about constants in next chapter. Checking Sci-Fi version. The version string is stored under the underscore version underscore attributes. See, by printing Sci-Fi underscore version underscore method, see the result is 0.18.1. It is the version of the Sci-Fi. 2 underscore characters are used in underscore version underscore. Okay friends, this is the end of part 1 Sci-Fi introduction. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Sci-Fi constants. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.